Friends, I am Jitendra Kumar, a BTech student of VNIT Nagpur, and from where I am going to explain you a JEE advanced question, which is just a little bit tricky question, which is given as according to figure is shown here, and according to figure shown, these two ends of a row, say P and Q, start moving in the downward direction with a speed of u. With a speed of u in the downward direction, these two ends of the rope start moving, and this is a pulley A and this is a pulley B. And pulleys are non-movable. Pulley cannot move. Okay. So what they are asking that with what speed mass capital M will move in the upward direction. So we have to find the we have to find the speed of this mass. With what speed this particle will move. I am saying that this will be moved. U assume this will be V assume. Okay, so we have to find just the value of V. So what I am saying that after a delta t time, they have given some angle that at that position it will make some angle theta with the vertical, and after delta t time the condition will be just like this, because these rope, I am saying that these rope will after delta t time will move u delta t, x is equal to u delta t. So this rope has moved, this end has moved u delta t, and this end also have moved u delta t. So this rope will have a move x distance, and this rope is also will have move x distance. So what I am saying that this am minus am dash, this will be equal to this distance, or this will be equal to, I am saying that am minus am dash will be equal to x, that is equal to u delta t. So I am saying that this am minus am dash, that will be equal to km, because this distance this rope has moved, and after that this position had achieved. So this distance will be equal to this distance. So this will be equal to u delta t, and I have called this equation as equation first. And from this triangle I have drawn a triangle that you can see. I am saying that this is a point K, and this is m dash, new positions of the mass, and this is a previous position of the mass m. So I am saying that this triangle, about this triangle, and this was the angle theta. So I am saying that this is the base, and this is the hypotenuse, and this is the normal. So cos theta will be equal to base divided by hypotenuse. So cos theta, here you can see, cos theta will be equal to what is the base? Km divided by m dash. So here what I am saying that from here the key from here, and we have got that km is this km. From equation first we have got that km is u delta t, and so from this I have got cos theta is equal to km upon mm dash, and this will be u delta t and upon mm dash. And from this and this equation I just manipulate this mm dash upon delta t. I have wrote mm dash divided by delta t, that is equal to u upon, this will go side in this side, so u upon cos theta, and this will be the speed of mass. This will be v. Thank you.